Good afternoon from the Netherlands. We're going to drive this nice Kawasaki H1A today. Okay, let's go. It's a true classic beauty, ready for a new owner. Looks great, sounds great. And runs perfectly. So the engine is completely rebuilt. Only 5,000 kilometers have been driven after that. Paintwork is also completely done, so it's completely new. I'll zoom in on that later. Have a look. As you can see, the paintwork is really nice. Everything looks really great. So this is the odometer showing the kilometers after the rebuild. It looks and sounds great. True classic beauty, 3-cylinder, 2-stroke, amazing bike. If you want more information or the price of this beauty, please visit our website and you can see all the info you need. There we go. Well, thanks for watching. Bye bye.